Who chaired that 51st Pragati meeting? Correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next question, Pragati stands for. Correct answer is proactive governance and timely implementation. Next question, President Draupadi Murmu presented the president's police color to which state? Correct answer is Sikkim. Next question, who is the new Prime Minister of Slovenia? Correct answer is Janez Janša. Next question, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India completed how many years? Correct answer is 10 years. Next question, IBBI was established on 1st October 2016 under which ministry and who is the current chairperson? Correct answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Ravi Mittal. Aegis Federal Life Insurance partnered with which platform to strengthen digital distribution? Correct answer is Policy Bazaar. Next question. Zoho invested rupees 70 crore in O&DC with what aim? Correct answer is support development of sovereign digital technology infrastructure in India. Next question. Germany and Netherlands will establish a NATO Baltic Command Center known as. Correct answer is First German Netherlands Crops. Next question. Ayush Excel and Spices Board of India sign an MOU for a new branding campaign called. Correct answer is Spices and Heal. Next question. Two-time Paralympics champion Sumit Antil broke the world record in which event in Bangalore? The right answer is men's javelin throw F64. Next question. Which former president of Yemen passed away? Correct answer is Abdallah Abu Mansur Hadi. Next question. International Day of UN Peacekeepers is observed on 29th May with what 2026 theme? The right answer is Invest in Peace. Next question. Urdu poet Bashir Badr, who passed away, received the Sahitya Academy Award in which year? Correct answer is 1999. Next question. The Red Balloon Aerospace launched mission Sana, India's first super pressure balloon platform carrying. Correct answer is commercial payloads. Next question. LIC launched which new joint life insurance plan mainly for married couples? Correct answer is New Jeevan Sathi. Next question. SIDBI's MODE program aims to modernize how many rural, micro, and artisan enterprises in 3 years? Correct answer is 10,000. India and US signed a framework agreement related to. Correct answer is critical and rare minerals. As of May 2026, which country become the world's fifth largest stock market, overtaking India? Correct answer is Taiwan. Next question. Who has been appointed as India's chef de mission for the 2026 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow? Correct answer is Rohit Rajpal. Next question. What is Sarthak PDS recently extended in March 2031 with rupees 25,530 crore outlays? Correct answer is Umbrella Scheme integrating PDS tech reforms plus intrastate food grain movement. Next question. RBI recently approved a 3-month extension for whom as interim CEO of Fino Payments Bank? Correct answer is Ketan Merchant. Next question. Why Admiral Ajay Kochar recently assumed charge as the Dash Vice Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is 48th Vice Chief. Next question. India's first Skycast aviation weather monitoring system was inaugurated at which airport? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Next question. With the launch of Skycast, India become the dash country globally to deploy such integrated aviation weather monitoring system? Correct answer is 19th. Next question, name the unified portal launched by DFS Secretary M. Nagaraju to trace unclaimed bank deposit shares, insurance, and mutual funds. Correct answer is Unclaimed Assets Portal. Next question, as per MCA 2026 CSR Amendment, max what percent of annual CSR can be deployed via zero coupon, zero principal instrument on SSE? Correct answer is 10%. Next question, Andhra Pradesh government with SIDBI is setting up an angel fund for startup in which key sector? Correct answer is AI, deep tech, electronics, quantum tech, advanced manufacturing. Next question, which Tamil Nadu farmer was recognized globally by UNFAO for turning to multi-crop tree-based farming? Correct answer is Vailuman. Next question, as per Logistic Port Performance Index, which port topped in dry bulk cargo handling? Correct answer is Pradeep Port. Next question, what is the name of AI Academy launched by IIMZ New Delhi for media and entertainment? Correct answer is AIME Academy. Next question, World No Tobacco Day is observed annually on. Correct answer is 31st May. Next question, Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket exploded during which type of test on May 28, 2026? Correct answer is hot fire test. Next question, International Day of Potatoes is observed on. Correct answer is 30 May. As of 31st March 2026, what percent of 2000 notes had been returned after withdrawal? Correct answer is 98.45%. Next question, Myanmar President U Min Aung Hlaing began his 5-day India visit on 30 May 2026 by landing in which state? Correct answer is Bihar. Next question, PM Swanidhi scheme, which completed 6 years in 2026, is under which ministry? Correct answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next question, PM Swanidhi has extended till March 2030 with a total outlay of. Correct answer is 7,332 CR. Next question, India won how many Labetum Awards from Saudi Hajj Ministry for Hajj 2026 coordination? Correct answer is O. Next question, who won the 2026 Scripps National Spelling Bee? Correct answer is Shrey Parikh. Next question, which team won IPL 2026? Correct answer is Royal Challengers Bangalore. Next question, who were the runner-ups of IPL 2026? Correct answer is Gujarat Titans. Who won the IPL 2026 Orange Cap? Correct answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi, 776 runs. Next question, who won the IPL 2026 Purple Cap? Correct answer is Tagiso Rabada, 29 wickets. Next question, who was the most valuable player of IPL 2026? Correct answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Next question, IPL 2026 Emerging Player of the Season was. Correct answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Next question, which team won the IPL 2026 Fair Play Award? Correct answer is Punjab Kings. Next question, which Indian men's doubles pair won the Singapore Open 2026 title? Correct answer is Satvik Sairaj, Lanki Reddy and Chirag Shetty. Next question, which state signed host agreement for 39th National Games 2027? Correct answer is Meghalaya. Next question, Nausena's Shaurya Vatika Naval Museum was inaugurated in which city? Correct answer is Lucknow. Next question, India signed a BrahMos deal with Vietnam in 2026 worth approx. Correct answer is rupees 6,000 CR. Next question, Global Day of Parents is observed on. Correct answer is past document. Next question, as per RBI Annual Report 2025-26, 500 notes formed what percent of currency in circulation by value? Correct answer is 86%. Next question, which denomination was second most circulated by volume as of March 2026? Correct answer is rupees 10. Next question, RBI's draft proposes max compensation of 25,000 for digital frauds up to what amount? Correct answer is 25,000 rupees. Next question, SEBI imposed what total penalty on Suzlon Energy? Correct answer is 28.95 CR. Next question, which country first introduced modern polymer banknotes in 1988? Australia. Next question, initially RBI planned how many pieces of rupees 10 polymer notes? Correct answer is 100 CR. India secured second position in Hong Kong with 19 medals. Which of the following statement is are correct? India won 10 gold, 5 silver, 4 bronze. China topped with 14 gold, 9 silver, 2 bronze. Which are correct? Correct answer is both, first and second. Next question. The world's largest curd manufacturing plant will be set up in Kolkata by Amul with an investment of 600 CR. The plant will have a capacity of. Correct answer is 10 kg per day, processing 15 lakh liters milk a day. Next question. Samao celebrated its 64th Foundation Day on June 1st, 2026. Samao gained independence from which country? Correct answer is New Zealand. Next question. Legendary singer Suman Kalyanpur recently passed away. She was awarded the Padma Bhushan in which year? Correct answer is 2023. Next question. Government appointed Dash as MD and CEO of Canara Bank till 30 April 2029. He succeeded K. Satyanarayana Raju. Correct answer is Brajesh Kumar Singh. Next question. The Andaman and Nicobar Command, India's first tri-service theatre command, was established in which year? Headquarter is at. Correct answer is 2001, Shri Vijayapuram. Next question. World Milk Day is celebrated annually on. Correct answer is June 1st. Next question. BRO celebrated 37th Rising Day of Project Udayak at Dumduma, Assam. Project Udayak is associated with. Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam border roads. Next question. India has formally issued a LOR to France for procurement of 114 Rafale fighter aircraft in a G2G deal estimated at. Correct answer is 3.25 lakh CR. Next question. IIT Kanpur hosts India's first DORIS Beacon. DORIS is a primarily used for. Correct answer is precise satellite orbit determination and geodetic applications. Next question. Maha Water Mission was launched to boost water innovation and startups. Which ministry launched it? Correct answer is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next question. Bhashini signed agreement with DPIIT through. Correct answer is strengthen multilingual digital capabilities. Next question. Malaysia is signing up for social media restrictions for children below what age? Correct answer is 16. Next question. India and Oman signed CEPA on 1st June 2026. Oman has granted duty-free access to what percent of India's exports by value? Correct answer is 99.38%. Next question. Mahindra Manulife Insurance Limited (MMIL) came into existence after receiving COI from MCA. It is a JV between. Correct answer is Mahindra Finance and Manulife Financial Canada. Next question, IRDAI imposed 1 CR penalty on Nissan Renault Financial Services India for violation of. Correct answer is insurance regulation. Next question, GST revenue in May 2026 topped. Correct answer is 1.94 lakh CR. Next question, index of industrial production IIP grew up how much in April 2026 as per MOSPI data? Correct answer is 4.9%. Next question, Defense Secretary got additional charge as DRDO chief replacing Samir V. Kamath. Correct answer is Rajesh Kumar Singh. Next question, UPI in May 2026 recorded highest ever volume and value with how many transactions worth how much? Correct answer is 23.2 billion rupees 29.90 lakh CR. DPJ partnered with HDFC Capital for $1 billion investment through which fund? Correct answer is H Dream Fund. Next question, which two apps together hold over 80% UPI market share? Correct answer is PhonePe and Google Pay. Next question, UPI is operational in how many countries as of 2026? Correct answer is 7. Next question, full form of IFSCA is. Correct answer is International Financial Services Centers Authority. Next question, which bank received IFSCA license for Gift City branch? Correct answer is Indian Overseas Bank. Next question, Bharat Pay Flex credit card credit on UPI solution is powered by which bank? Correct answer is Yes Bank. Next question, UPI went live in which new country allowing Indian tourists to pay? Correct answer is Cambodia. Next question, government will replace WPI with CPI over how many years? Correct answer is 5. Next question, new base year of WPI is. Correct answer is 2022-23. Next question, WPI basket items increased to how many? Correct answer is 957. Next question, which is not a subdivision of PPI? Correct answer is wholesale PPI. Next question, who was elected UN General Assembly President for 81st session? Correct answer is Rahman from Bangladesh. Next question, UN General Assembly was formed in which year? Correct answer is 1945. Next question, who was appointed as CBSE chief? Correct answer is Lokhande Prasad Sitaram. Next question, who is the new CBSE secretary? Correct answer is Varun Bharadwaj. Next question, head of panel probing CBSE on-screen marking system procurement is. Correct answer is S. Radha Chauhan. Next question, Waves OTT crossed how many registered users? Correct answer is 1 CR. Next question, which scheme crossed rupees 102 CR sales milestone? Correct answer is Gujarat Hastakala Setu Yojana. Next question, Blue India 2026 theme is. Correct answer is Blue Research, Blue Innovation, Blue Future. Next question, NCDFI signed agreement with whom to expand BA supply in Northeast? Correct answer is Assam Rifles. Next question, Telangana celebrated which state formation day on 2nd June 2026? Correct answer is 11th. Next question, World Bicycle Day is observed on. Correct answer is 3rd June. Next question, former Gujarat minister and BJP MLA who passed away is. Correct answer is Yogesh Patel. South Korea overtook which country to become world's sixth largest equity market? Correct answer is India. Next question. The first in-person BRICS disaster risk reduction working group meeting is held in which city? Correct answer is Puri. Next question. D.K. Shivakumar become the Dash Chief Minister of Karnataka. Correct answer is the 25th. Next question. Name the AI-enabled CPGR AMS voice chatbot launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh. Correct answer is Samadhan Didi. Next question. Fairwood Nuclear Power Limited signed on SMR project agreement with SK Securities of which country? Correct answer is South Korea. What is the full form of SMR in nuclear technology? Correct answer is Small Modular Reactor. Next question. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is observed on. Correct answer is 4th June. Next question. Union Cabinet approved 10,000 CR budgetary support to OMCs for stabilizing price of. Correct answer is aviation turbine queuing. Next question. IEPFA plus SEBI will organize Nimeshak Shivir in which city on 5th June? Correct answer is Bhopal. Next question. Full form of IEPFA. Correct answer is Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. Next question. Who launched Navchar Mantra for grassroots innovations? Correct answer is Jayant Chaudhary. Next question. Fazil Nagar in Kushinagar, UP will be renamed as. Correct answer is Pavagadh. Next question. Earth Prize 2026 winners for plastic innovation are. Correct answer is Vivan, Ariana, Aviana. Next question. Which country banned social media accounts for children below 16 years? Correct answer is Malaysia. Next question. Capital of Malaysia is. Correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. Next question. Operation Sheru Wali is being conducted in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is Rajouri. Next question. Full form of Mission Maha on water? Correct answer is Mission for Advancement in High Impact Areas for Water. Next question. India's seafood export value in financial year 26 as per MPEDA. Correct answer is $8.46 billion. Next question. Chenab Bees Link Tunnel in HP is dash kilometer long with project cost rupees 2352 CR. Correct answer is 8.7 kilometer. Next question. Vista India's first indigenous stratospheric super pressure balloon launched by. Correct answer is Brad Balloon Aerospace Private Limited. Next question. Khet Bachao Abhiyan was launched from which state? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana target by December 2026 is. Correct answer is 75 lakh house modes. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana was launched on. Correct answer is 13 February 2024. Next question. Total outlay of Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana is. Correct answer is 75,021 CR. Next question. What is the theme for World Environment Day 5th June 2026? Correct answer is Now for Climate. Next question. BALTOF launched by US and NATO allies is a multinational exercise held in. Correct answer is Baltic Sea. Next question. NATO was formed on. Correct answer is 4th April 90. Next question. Jammu and Kashmir Bank won the Financial Innovation Awards 2026 in which category? Correct answer is Modern technologies led innovation. Next question. ADB signed an agreement with which bank to boost supply chain finance in India? Correct answer is Standard Chartered. Next question. As per OECD, India's projected GDP growth for financial year 2026-27 is? Correct answer is 6.3%. Next question. Which country recently removed the airport transit visa requirement for Indians? Correct answer is Germany. Next question. Currency of Germany is? Correct answer is Euro. Next question. India and which country launched the Critical Minerals Global Supply Chain Observatory? Correct answer is UK. Next question. Mission Senhejori launched by Jyotiraditya Scindia is related to which sector? Correct answer is Muga silk. Next question. Assam produces what percent of the world's Muga silk? Correct answer is 90%. Next question. Which is India's first GI tagged silk? Correct answer is Muga silk. Next question. University of Liverpool is set to open a branch campus in which Indian city? Correct answer is Bangalore. Next question. Mera Yuva Bharat got a Guinness World Record for? Correct answer is most users to take an online quiz in 1 week. Next question. My Bharat platform targets youth aged. Correct answer is 18 to 35 years. Next question. India's first flex fuel passenger vehicle Wagon R was developed by? Correct answer is Maruti Suzuki. Next question. A flex fuel vehicle can run on blends of? Correct answer is petrol and ethanol. Next question. Who was appointed as a brand ambassador for Visa's India campaign? Correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Next question. What is the theme of Visa's new campaign? Correct answer is Infinitely More. Next question. Vyoma Innovation Challenge is launched by which division? Correct answer is Digital India Bhashini Division.